I'm going to show you an example of using the mid function in Microsoft Excel. Here I have some stock numbers under column E. Let's say I want to extract the middle 5 digits from each one of these in the different rows and put them over here. I would use the mid function, which you do by doing equals, type in MID, open parenthesis. It asks you for the starting text or the reference text. Click on that to get E5, or you can type in E5. Then they want the starting number. I said I wanted 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, so the starting number is position 3, comma, number of characters. I want 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's 5 characters, starting with the 3. So 5, and then close parentheses, hit enter. You get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You want to run that down the whole column to mirror the matching column in E, and that's how you use the mid function. You can also use the mid function as if it wasn't middle, but it was left or right. If you wanted the very beginning, and then 5 characters after that, you would put the number 1 there. So start with position 1 and go 5 characters and hit enter. And that's how you use the mid function.